Hey everybody, welcome to Dutch Clutch Dragway. We're here for the car show for the Rookie Rollers race. We got about 20 of them lined up here. We got 4 no-shows so far. Let's get right on into it. Number 1 is Lone Wolf Racing, multi-speckled car. Number 2 is Rancid Cactus. Number 3 is Bad Dad. Number 4 is Moparius. I want to make sure I show this box. He made a box that hold the car, got the car on it there, return address, everything. That's pretty cool. Nice motors added on. Number 5 is Stick Dog in the white rig. Number 6 is Papa E. Number 7 is AFK Racing. Number 8, ABC All Red Family Racing. Number 9 is Racer Gnome. Number 10 with that cool fade is Kitterman Speed Shop. Number 11 is Joker Killer. Number 12, Scratch Racing. Number 13 is Iceman. Number 14 is Shoe Baby. Number 15 is Tortoise King. Number 16, as you can see by the logo, is Oregon Outcast Ragin' Ricky. Number 17 is Last and Furious, the Freak Brothers. Number 18 is Mad Trash Man. That's a pretty cool copper color on that. Number 19 is Chip Paint Racing, all the way from Belfast, Ireland. And number 20 is Ulster Outlaw, all the way from Belfast, Ireland. Got a lot of really cool looking cars. This is my favorite casting. I don't want to send any of these cars back, to be honest with you. I just want to keep them and look at them. But everybody has done return shipping, and that's how it'll go. Do I need to go down the line again? Lone Wolf Racing. Rancid Cactus. Number 3 is Bad Dad. Number 4 is Moparius. Number 5, Stick Dog. Number 6, Papa E. Number 7, AFK Racing. Number 8, ABC All Red. Number 9 is Racer Gnome. Number 10 is Kitterman Speed Shop. Number 11 is Joker Killer. Number 12 is Scratch Racing. 13 is Iceman. 14 is Shoe Baby. 15 is Tortoise King. 16, Raging Ricky. 17, Last and Furious. 18 is Mad Trash Man. 19 is Chip Paint Racing. And 20 is Ulster Outlaw. All right, I will send this off to the judges to vote on this. You're welcome to vote on the YouTube comments if you want to. But we're going to be having a panel of judges that consists of G-Force Racing, Blue Line Racing, and Dave Dad from Elevation Diecast Racing. Those are your 3 judges for today. And we'll get this show on the road, if you will. Racing to come soon. Thank you.